Okay, so we just missed two boxes here while discussing here. So there are alert boxes, right? So alert box is for displaying the output in the console, in the web page in a form of pop-up. But now let's say I wanted to display, I wanted to take the input from the user. Okay, so you can use one thing, prompt. Okay, so we can just ask user enter value for a variable. Okay, let's comment this out and this also. Okay, you can use Control K and D as a shortcut to comment the multiple lines together. Okay, now let's see. I'm using prompt box to get the value from the user, and I'm printing that value in the alert box. Okay, so let's refresh this page. See, enter a value for A. Here I can enter, let's say 50, and okay. So what is the value of A is 50. So this is how you can basically get the value from the user as well with the help of prompt box. Okay, there is one more box that is confirm. Okay, so what we can do, confirm box is for basically take the permission from the user. Like you want to delete this record, yes or no? Yes, I want to delete. So one more confirmation. So that is what confirm boxes do. Okay, like let's do one thing. Confirm, confirm. Are you sure? Okay, when we click on the delete button, it will click on the, it will show this message. Are you sure? And if you click on the OK, it will return true. If you click on the cancel, it will return false. And that output we are displaying in the alert box. Okay. So like this, refresh, it will show, are you sure? Yes, it returns true. Okay. But if I again click on the, are you sure? Cancel, it returns false. So this is how we can just make use of the confirm box and prompt box.